Is your Mac running slower than usual? If even simple tasks seem to be pushing your CPU to the limit, you may be wondering if it's time to invest in a hardware update. Fortunately, you may not have to. The tips and strategies in today's video will teach you how to make MacBook faster without an expensive upgrade. Let's get right to it. The first and easiest way to speed up Mac is to make sure macOS is up to date. Click Apple Menu, System Settings, General, and then Software Update on the right. Close everything and restart your Mac, even if you didn't need an update. In many cases, this is enough to fix the problem. Next, check to see if any applications are overloading the CPU or memory. Open the Activity Monitor by going to Finder, then Applications, then Utilities. Switch to the CPU tab. Click on %CPU to sort by usage. This will show you which apps are taking up the most resources. Anything pushing the CPU load over 60% or the RAM usage over 80% is a likely culprit of slowdown. Another way to learn how to make Mac run like new again is to stop unneeded background programs from opening at startup. The easiest way to do this is from System Settings. Click General, then Login Items and Extensions. Here you can uncheck anything you don't need. Closing open programs is not the only way to speed up MacBook Pro, Air, and other models. Having too many browser extensions and desktop icons can also cause issues. Try cleaning them up to see if things improve. Unfortunately, these simple fixes aren't always enough. If you're still wondering how to make Mac faster, you may need a more efficient tool to check and resolve issues faster than you can do on your own. Mac does a good job of preventing malware and virus infections, but no security system is foolproof. To check for the latest threats, download CleanMyMac. Once installed, click Scan at the bottom. This will tell you if any harmful programs are detected. Sometimes, learning how to make MacBook faster is as simple as a quick restart. Other times, you may need performance-enhancing apps like CleanMyMac to give your hardware a much-needed cleaning. Whatever the case, Setapp is available to help you try out different apps and pick the solutions you need with a 7-day free trial. That's all for today. What did you do to speed up Mac, MacBook Pro, iMac, or another device? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to grab your free trial and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tech content.